pretty sure my students have no concept of what the word skater means, because they told me that I look skater today. Welcome to the 25th day of Vita! We are almost done with this thing, guys! No offense, Vita. I'll miss you. Today I want to talk about numbers. More specifically, the TV show numbers. So today my first period class had earned a free day by all of their hard work, and so we watched the first episode of Numbers today in class, and so I felt like it would be a good time to talk about the show. This is my favorite show of all time, ever. Blah! Numbers started airing in 2005 and ended airing in 2010, and I was lucky enough to watch it while it was airing the entire way through. It used to air on Friday nights on CBS, and my parents and I would watch it together on Friday nights. Yes, we are that family that watched a show about a mathematician solving crimes on Friday night. The show is about an FBI agent, Don Epps, and in the first episode, he is trying to solve a rape-murder case, and his little brother, Charlie Epps, who is a mathematician, genius, and professor at Cal Sci, finds Don's maps from the case on their kitchen table and starts looking over them. And Don gets really mad at him because he's like, this is confidential information, you can't be looking at it. But it turns out that Charlie has a way to locate where the rapist may live using math. Long story short, he ends up solving the case. This begins a partnership for the two of them in which Charlie begins working for the FBI and helping Don to solve his cases using math. There were 6 seasons of the show in total. I own all of them. And you get to know all of the other agents who work in Don's office at the FBI. You get to know Charlie's fellow professors at Cal Sci. You get to know their dad. It's one of those shows where the overarching plot line of all the characters is so well done and so interesting that you just want to keep watching forever. Some examples of this include my favorite character in the show, Larry, who is the physics professor at Cal Sci, and one of Charlie's best friends, who is a crazy dude. At one point in the show, Larry goes and joins a Buddhist monk's place. He also goes to space. Wow, Larry's story arc is weird. Anyways, you grow very invested in all of the characters. Within each individual episode, as they are solving a case using mathematics, all of the cases and their solutions are based on real-life situations and based on real mathematics. They actually have a numbers website that I will link in the description below that is still operational, in which you can look up any episode, and it will highlight for you all of the mathematical content that was included in that episode and a little bit more information about it. It has the exact script lines where, say, the theorem was referenced, and then it says what that theorem is, and it might have like a diagram or something. The writers and producers of this show were very intentional about their inclusion of mathematics, and they were very accurate about their inclusion. The mathematics is explained in the show very, very well. There is a lot of real math in the show that is explained very well and made very relatable, which is why I love the show. Just in the pilot episode, Charlie's analogy of randomness is one that I use all the time, where he has the FBI agents randomly spread out around the room, and then points out to them that they have, in fact, spread out evenly across the room, which is not truly what random means. And so, the math included in this is so awesome, and the growth of some of the FBI agent characters throughout the show, in which they grow to understand and appreciate mathematics, is like my favorite thing ever. Basically, I'm saying that I freaking recommend Numbers with all of my heart to you, and it will help you to appreciate math and its usefulness, and it's a fun show, and I love it. Now, if you're not crazy like me and you don't own all 6 seasons of the show, they are on Netflix, and so you have no excuse to not watch them. Let me know if you watch Numbers or have watched Numbers, and if you like the show. And, yep, I am gonna go get ice cream now because it's a nice day out and I want ice cream. I'll see you tomorrow.